Hi, everybody. This is Jennifer, and this is my quiz review. Um, I am going to review question 13 in quiz number 6. Um, in her introduction to quiz number 6, Miss Johnson said this is another close reading quiz and gave the name of the case for us to look at and read. So I went and found the case and read the case, which I thought was kind of interesting, and then got ready and then took the quiz. And when I got to question 13, it said how many justices participated in this decision. So I looked at the numbers, how many numbers she had here, and I thought, well, I'm going to be really, really careful and count all the justices, and don't forget there's always one on the front page. So I came in and I looked for the presiding justice on the first page, and then I scrolled to the end of the opinion and read and started counting justices and said, one on the front, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this was on the first time I took the test. So then I said, okay, there's 9 justices there. I even wrote down their names on a piece of paper and compared and make sure there were no duplicates. And I went over here and clicked 9. And of course, as you can see, I got it wrong. And I couldn't figure out why I got it wrong. And then it hit me that when I took it the second time, that I didn't read what it said very closely, because it plainly says right here, Justices Diaz and Graves were not participating in the opinion. So I realized that I didn't follow the directions very well in reading closely. I was so busy reading the case closely that I didn't read what the opinion said about the justices. So that said, I went back on the second try and answered 7. And got it right, because as we had the first justice on the first page, and then we had Smith and Cobb, Carlson, Dickinson, and Randolph easily concurred in part, and dissented in part without a separate opinion. So that was 1 on the first page, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my whole point to my quiz review this week is it's really good to read closely. So thanks for listening. Have a good week.